Hi and welcome to the Knowledge Bank tutorial video. This video will take you through the features of the Knowledge Bank and how to use them. Knowledge Bank is a curated collection of entrepreneurial content, organized and categorized to be easily searched. On the left, you'll see all the categories under which we've classified the information, and every category has 4 knowledge types. We have superhero wisdom, which is from our specialist entrepreneurs and thought leaders. We have advice, which is from our Entropolis users. We have mentor advice, which is from our partners and our Entropolis entrepreneur community. And we have Entropolis curated, which is third-party articles brought together and searched for and placed here by the Entropolis team. If you want to read an article, just click on the eye and it will open up and view it for you. And it will also open up a profile of the authors. You can also see what else they've written. And you'll also be able to see any endorsements that that person has received from other Entropolis users. You can search for specific areas of interest in here and even narrow down the areas where it would search in here. But we recommend keeping it just on knowledge type, as then the search will look through the entire database, which is recommended. Finally, you can narrow down your search if you only want to look at experience from other educators, or if you only want to look for experience from experienced mentors by clicking on either one of these. Favorites, as you might imagine, is where all of your previously marked as favorite articles will be held.